Hello. XPers. This is kind of sports related because throwing, running is kind of sports. So we are making paper airplanes today. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paper airplanes right here that we are going to be making today. So grab 5 pieces of paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then bring them over and let's start. So our first one One second. Okay, so first we're gonna fold it in half like this. So this is for this one right here. Okay, then unfold. Fold to the crease. And then do it again. I should turn on the light. 1 second, I'm gonna turn on the light. Okay, so your plane should be looking like this so far. Okay, then fold that in half and fold the wings down all the way to the bottom on both ends. And now you have your first plane right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it flies. It kind of goes straight sometimes, but it's kind of glides and goes down kind of slow. So there is our first plane. Now, moving on to our second plane. This one, personally, is my favorite. I am just gonna show you how it flies before now, since I'm up. Okay. It kind of goes down sometimes, but most of the time, if you throw it pretty hard, it just works out so good. And it just goes straight so wrong. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to make this one. It's pretty much the same steps. So first, you want to fold it in half. Unfold it, fold to the crease, fold to the crease again, fold in half. Okay, this is where the steps get different. Put your hand right here, so that it's like right next to the point. So like you can still see a tiny bit of the point. And then fold. So that gives this space right here. Then do it on the other side. Put your hand so you can see the tip a little bit and fold. So this is your plane, but you're not done yet. Fold it so you can see both wings at once. Then fold it, the edges down so you make this little flap to make it to go farther and faster. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I've already shown you how it flies. So that's that one. Moving on to this one. It has a little complicated thing that you hold it. So that kind of helps you. And there's no little crease on the tip. So this is how it flies. It's kind of like the first plane. Just, it guides you a little bit. Okay. So now up to this one. Okay. So first, you want to fold it in half. Then fold to that end. Not once. Not twice. But 3 times on both sides to get your airplane like that. Okay, so I have your airplane now. I've already shown you how to fly, so that's that one. Now, I'm going to show you how the glider flies. Here's how it looks. And here's how it flies. So you want to angle it a little bit. Oh, dropped it. So angle it a tiny bit. Then you want to run and then throw it. That won't happen every time. You just need a bigger space, and kind of throw it a little bit up, and it will make a twist tornado down to the ground. But you have to make it angled to do that. Okay, this one I don't know from the top of my mind, so I actually have to use a book for instructions. Okay, so glider. Turn the paper sideways like this. Fold it down. Then across. Then unfold both of them. Then fold down the top like this. And then fold both of these so it hits the crease and the bottom of the flap. So your plane should be looking like this. Then you want to fold the top down all the way to the bottom of that little flap right there, and to those 2 corners like this. And then just fold it again. So you fold right here should be the crease. And then turn the plane over. Fold it like this. And then fold the wings like this, I think. On both sides. And this is how mine, for some reason, turned out. It's probably because this isn't folded straight. So I'm gonna fold this straight down, like that. And then on the other side, to the same fold. So it should be looking like this at the end. Okay, now on to the last and hardest, but my least favorite. It is the bug. They look like really hard instructions, but they're not that really hard. So this is how it flies. It just goes up, and then it just goes onto the ground. Like, that's why it's my least favorite. It doesn't go far at all. Oh, bugs don't go that far, right? Okay. Don't fly that far. Because they go down after like 10 seconds, the fly does, but. Okay, fold the paper in half. Oh, that is so bad. So this is the first step to our first three. Fold to the crease. But instead of folding again, you're gonna fold to the bottom of the paper, not making the corners go just a straight line to the top. It has to leave this little space. And then fold in the left and right sides to the middle of that. So kinda not a triangle, like a full triangle. It kinda leaves, like it's big. It's bigger on this side than that side. So, and then fold the other way so it looks like this. And then fold this up without the triangle, I guess, without folding this, and it should correlate with your crease fold, and then fold it in half. If it looks like this, just turn it over. So it looks like this. It goes to the slant goes to the left, and then fold it down to that edge. That edge meet the edge, and then make it straight. And on the other side too, leaving no room, and making my least favorite one, but maybe some of yours favorite. The bug. So that's how to make all my 5 paper airplanes that I know how to make. Pretty good. So, if you just want to, here's 4 of the instructions to make some of them. If you didn't get my instructions, you could pause the video. Jet, glider, bug, and here is the dart. Okay. Bye, sports player.